The 2014-2021 Infiniti QX80 key fob uses a CR2032 battery. This is the CR2032 battery you'll need to replace. Signs of a low battery include reduced range or failure to unlock and lock remotely. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, available for $1 to $2, and a small flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool. No software updates are needed, although a dealer-installed patch may improve battery life. Begin by locating the small slot or seam on the side of your key fob. Gently use the screwdriver or pry tool to open the key fob case. Be careful not to crack the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation. Positive side usually faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Snap the case back together and test the fob's functions. Always use reputable battery brands to avoid leaks and recycle old batteries properly. Double-check polarity to prevent shorts.